While FPV drone packs a mean punch, the effect on a well-armored object like a tank is highly dependent on the location of the hit. While a strike can have relatively little impact on a tank, most of the time it does substantial damage. If the warhead penetrates the armor and an internal fire is created, almost everything is destroyed inside, rendering the tank to scrap metal. However, the more aggressive the reaction is, the more satisfying it is, while the end result is the same. One less tank for Russia's armed forces. But as they are destroyed, it's better they go out in style, like this turret toss, showing the pure power of the explosion for throwing a part weighing multiple tons up in the air. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. But